Hello and welcome back to the channel. This is Abhinav. So in this video, we're going to talk about the problem B of Codeforces round 754, which is reverse solve. Okay. So first of all, we'll discuss the problem statement. So the problem is that there we are given with a binary string of length n, and what we're doing, we have to sort this string into a non-decreasing order. Okay. Fine. So for doing this sorting, we have to perform some following operations. We can't do it like just using a bubble sort or merge sort. Okay, what we'll do is that we can choose a length of a substring. For example, the substring of length k. Okay, and then and the other thing is that subsequence should be in a non-increasing order. Fine. Then what we can do, we have to reverse that subsequence. Okay, by doing this we have to make the string in a non-decreasing order. Fine. Okay, so now let's move towards the whiteboard to understand this problem. So let's take an example of a string. Okay, let's take an example of a string which is currently not in a non-decreasing order. So which is for example, which is uh, sorry, which is yeah. So for example, the string is 10100110 like this. Okay, this is a string. So after sorting, this string will become like there are 4 zeros, so it will become 0000, and there are 5 ones, so it will become 1111. After sorting, this string will look like this. Okay, fine. Now what it is telling us that there are 5 ones in the string and 4 zeros in the string. So after sorting, the last five indices of this string should contain 1 and the first 4 indices should contain 0. This is the basically logic behind this problem. Means after sorting, the last the first 4 indices should contain 0 and the last 5 indices should contain 1 because there are 4 zeros and 1 1. So basically what we do is we have to just replace that ones into 0 that are coming in the 0th position, and we have to replace that zeros which are coming in the first 1 position, because these 5 positions are allocated for 1 but there are 2 zeros, and these 4 positions are allocated for zeros and there are 2 ones. This one, this one, these are in the wrong place, and this 0 and this 0, this is in the wrong place. Fine. So basically we have to just select these 4 indices and then do that operation in this. When we will select these 4 indices, means 1100 like this, these 4 indices, it will become 0011. And when we replace this one with 0, this 1 with 0, this 0 with 1, this 0 with 1 like this, then we will get this particular string. So basically this is what we have to find it. First of all, what we will do is we will find the number of ones and number of zeros. Then we will find how many zeros are in the ones place, because last for example there are a numbers of ones, so last a indices of that particular string should contain 1. So if there are any 0 in that last a indices, then we will store that the index of that 0, and if there are any 1 in the place of zeros, then we will store the indices of that 1, and then we will operate we will make that operation on these indices. This is what we have to do. So what should be output of this problem? The output should be the indices is 1, this is 3, this is 5, and this is 8. So the output will be that one operation is required, and always there is only one operation is required, always. Then 4, then 1, 3, 5, 8. Okay, fine. So for better understanding, let's take the test case which is given to us in the example. Okay. So for those who have understand, you can skip to the code part. So this is the test case which is given to us. Let's take this one only. Okay. Yeah. So the test case is that sorry. Yeah. This is a test case which is given to us. The length of the means the string is 10100 like this. Okay. Now after sorting it will become sorry. After sorting it will become 00011, means the last 2 indices should contain 1 and the first 3 should contain 0. So we will first check the first three indices, which should contain 0. But there is a 1 in place of 0 and there is a 1 in place of 0. Now last two indices. There is a 0 in place of 1 and there is a 0 in place of 1. So we will take the value of k is equal to 4 and the indices as 1, 3, 4, 5. So the output will be one operation required. Always there will be only one operation required. Then the value of k is 4, then 1, 3, 4, 5. That is the output only. That is the output. You can check. That is the output given to us. And in case when it is already sorted, then when we will check the last 5, it is 1, 1, 1. We will check the first 2, it is 0, 0, 0. Then we will just output 0. No operation is required. Okay? Yeah. So this is basically the code. Now let's move towards the code part. So first I have done some wrong in pre-test 1 only, because I have not seen this minimum number of operations. I have just do it by means any number of operations, just solve the problem. But we have to do it by minimum number of operations basically. Okay. Yeah. So this is our submission. So first of all, we have stored the indices of 1 and the indices of 0. Then we have showed that how many ones and how many b's are there. Sorry, how many ones and how many zeros are there. Then we have checked that if is there any 0 which is coming in the ones position, and if there is any 1 which is coming in the zeros position, then we are just pushing it into a vector, and then we are outputting that vector. If the size of the vector is 0, means there are no 1 or 0 in each other's place, then it will be 0 only, and if there is, then we are outputting that vector. So you can do it by your own code implementation, okay? Or you can also check my code. I will provide a link in the description. This is basically the problem. If you have any doubt, you can ask in the comment section. You can join on Telegram. You can subscribe to the comment. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you like it. Thank you.